You're going to restart with 69 to go as you see we're along with Eric Jones in the 500 energy car. Ryan Blaney on the outside in the 21. Morton Truex Jr. on the inside. Green, how about we do a NASCAR crank it up at Kansas Speedway? Whoa! Big crash! Danica Patrick and Joey Logano. Oh, and Almirola flying in the air! What a big crash for Almirola, Logano, and the 10 car. Holy smoly! Oh my gosh! On the 10 car of Danica. Dana's out of her car quickly. Patrick out of her car quickly. No kidding, that thing was hot. And the AMR safety team are quickly on the scene. You see Logano, both of them have their window net down. That's a good sign.